In this episode, we get some more inflatable RC tyres and stick them on my TRX4. Alright guys, want to make some extra cash so you can buy more toys, quit your job, go on more holidays, or maybe build a monster truck? I've got you covered. Check out my course in the description and I'll show you how to make 100k profit a year. Alright guys, how you doing? In this video we got another set of these inflatable RC tyres. We tried them on the TRX4 before, but they were a bit too big and they rubbed too much when they were inflated, which was being a bit silly. So we're going to give them a go on this Wheelie King this time and see how they go. And here we got the monster truck freestyle track that we're going to test it on when we're all done. So last time we put a little bit too much air in there and this happened. I mean, the idea was we're just to test these and review them and see how good they are. But then I thought I might as well have a little bit of fun and see how much air these things can take. And the tyres were literally like this big. Alright, so here's a brand new set. So, they're actually different. Different, these ones. Slightly different tread pattern, a lot more aggressive. They look a little bit taller as well. Alright, so what I might do as well, guys, is try these on the TRX4 as well. They've got a beadlock rings, a pump, tyres. I think these are definitely more gimmicky than anything, but as long as we're having fun, that's what RC is all about. So in the last video, the one where I played with these ones, I couldn't get this pump to work. And I did it off camera, but I did push that lever down. And people said in the comments, he's an idiot, he doesn't know how to use it, you've got to push the lever down. Well, I did push the lever down. And when you pump it, no air comes out, it's like locked. That way. No, it's just, there's no air coming out, there's no air going through there at all. So, I don't know how the hell I'm supposed to use this thing. I'm pushing that in, I'm pushing the lever down. Still nothing, it's not pumping, no air's coming out of there, it's just building up pressure inside the pipe here and nothing's coming out. So, yeah, I'm not going to bother with that. Let's see how they perform on the TRX4. Oh, it doesn't fit that one, guys. Look, it's rubbing on that brass portal box. And also, I think it's doing something to that valve. Yeah, look, it's pushed that valve out there, guys. Not to worry, I've got another TRX4 with standard axles. Oh, we're getting grip. Oh, guys, I've just pumped one up off camera, and I've put it on this like bloody proper car pump thing. And as I pulled it out, this thing here is razor sharp, guys. You've got to be super careful with that. That is bloody lethal. So we'll shove that in there like that. Ah, there we go. There we go. Got something in there. Alright, we've got some air in there now. It definitely looks better. I don't know if I put too much air in. Probably have. But let's just give it a blast anyway. Well, it's actually crawling better. Probably due to the extra clearance. Oh, it's definitely getting over there better now. Much better. Yes. Easy. Easy. Let's make it a bit more tricky. Low range in, diff locks in. Oh. Oh, well. Still getting hung up on there. Ah, we're beached. Ah, when we're over, guys. Guys, don't feel bad for a slash body. That body shell's had it anyway. Alright, it's dark outside, but let's just take it out for a quick blast anyway. Oh, let's get it outside before we break it. Alright, let's pump one of these up and see if we can get it a bit bigger. Alright, that's going to fit on the Wheelie King. That looks silly, but it looks like it could be some fun. I mean, these won't go on the front. I've tried it before and they rub everywhere. So what I'm going to do in tomorrow's video, I haven't got time really now. The video's long enough as it is. So tomorrow we're going to pump these all the way up. We're going to stick them on this thing here. Here we go. That added size is definitely helping you get over stuff. Oh, look at that. Straight over. No problem. Alright guys, this video was long enough. I mean, I definitely want to pump these up some more, see how much it can take. I mean, I reckon we can get them a little bit bigger, and I'm going to try and put them on the front as well. So we're going to do that in tomorrow's video. And then we're going to stick them on the Wheelie King so we can make use of the full steering. And then we're just going to keep pumping these thing up and see how much air we can actually put in these things before they pop. Alright guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, smash that bell button to stay notified. See you soon guys. Pew!